Good Monday morning. Welcome to your announcements. I'm Sam Reed. Let's talk about DC. We've got a great lineup today with a controversial piece from Grace Teeter and Caitlin Graham about dress code. But first, a word from Mr. Sarant.
Hi, I'm Mr. Sarant. Next Wednesday, go to the poll.
It's see you at the poll. You want to tell the students that we'll see them at the poll. So try it again.
Okay. All right, here we go. Hi, I'm Mr. Sarant. Next Wednesday, I'm going to the poll.
I don't know, I'm not sure why you're saying it so creepy sounding.
Oh, less creepy.
Like see you at the poll.
See you at, okay. Hi, I'm Mr. Sarant. I see you at the poll.
Maybe try something different?
Okay, all right, I'm cool with different. Hey, I'm Mr. Sarant. Next Wednesday, there's a poll. I'm confused. What is the poll? Praying to the poll? I feel like it's a little like idolatry.
That's not what we're doing. We're just going to be praying around the poll.
Towards it? In the general direction of the poll.
Some Bible verses, sing a song together.
What songs are we singing? Are we singing Amazing Grace?
You are just you're kind of the hype guy. You're like, hey, I'm going to be down there. I'm a new teacher.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
I got it. Ready? Hey, I'm Mr. Sarant. Next Wednesday, I'll see you at the poll. You said,
you know what? Actually,
you said hype?
Yeah, that's true. I did say that.
Yep.
That's perfect.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Sarant. That was helpful. Now for your Spirit Week themes, where Monday we have Wacky Tacky Day, Tuesday is Career Day, Wednesday is to wear your class t-shirt, Thursday is your throwback movie or TV, and Friday is your Decade Day. Now I have one more announcement, but rather than hearing it from me, I figure it best we hear it from Mr. Cappella himself.
If you like to sing, please come audition for the new a cappella group. See the Fine Arts Board for details.
Okay, I'm here with Mr. Holliday, head principal of Dane Christian High School. As you all know, we have had some new dress check changes, and they've almost been amplified for the girls, but more lenient for the guys. What are your comments on this?
I've had quite a few different females come and ask a similar question of why the dress code seems to have gotten a lot easier, less strict for guys and more strict for girls. And I think what has happened is that the policies that are in place have always been in place besides some of the exceptions. And so females have never been allowed to wear nose rings or have non-natural color hair, purple, pink, yellow. However, what we're doing now is trying to figure out a way to enforce them.
Would you consider this dress check change more of a sexism issue or an authoritative issue?
I would say it's more authoritative, although I can completely see how it would come across to some, especially females, as a sexist decision. The one thing I would keep in mind is that where the initial proposal was, and this initial proposal was made in a group of different individuals, 90% were females, and where it ended up was far more lenient, and that a lot of these decisions I rely on females in administration to help me know where they're coming from, because I obviously can't have a point of view that would understand what goes through the minds of females at Dane Christian. I don't, and if I am erring on that side, then I want to correct that in the future.
What's your personal opinion on unnatural hair color?
As far as it goes on guys or girls, or either or?
On women.
On women. This is something that I'm learning, and I'll continue to learn with a daughter. And with a natural hair color, I wouldn't say that someone that doesn't have a natural hair color can't come across as attractive and can't be a phenomenal Christian Christ follower. I'm still trying to figure out where the boundaries and lines are for what's acceptable and unacceptable in Christian. And I don't think I've had it figured out yet. I'm still working to get there.
This concludes another episode of Daily Warrior TV. I'm Sam Reed, and this is a Typewriter.